What's up, everyone? 1 second. Let me see if I have the right.
Okay, what's up, everyone? I hope you can hear me. We go through a breakdown on Eurusd today. So I sent you the key area. Key area is pretty obvious. I wouldn't say obvious, but you can see it clearly. 0.5 premium discount. We reach a premium price, and it corresponds also. We have an order block just above it that also breaks structure, and this is very important. Break structure right here. Now we are retracing. We are also clearing some liquidity. Even better, this liquidity high and this liquidity high. We are touching the point of interest. I send you the chart, and we drop to lower time frames for a possible entry. Now, the 1 minute can be quite confusing, especially if you haven't backtested it a lot. Here we have Asian range. We never push below the Asian range lows, and we just go straight through it. Now, just go straight through it. We just go to the upside and touch the order block. We have more confidence with the Asian range, and make sure to go back and look at the Asian range videos that this trade could play out. Reach the 3.5 projection to add some confidence, and I was looking for a trade. I was looking for a trade from here, aggressive entry in the beginning with really low risk. Now, the correct entry is not this one, but it is this one. This was just perfect and textbook. Now, as you know, what we're looking for is the battle between supply and demand. This was the first demand that had to fail in order to give the first confirmation, and this will be called the SW according to our terminology. But most importantly, this area had to fail to really have the good confirmation to enter last man standing right here. This area fails, and it confirms that we are bearish, and we also create some liquidity. We also create some liquidity of these highs. Okay, I took a trade here already. So I saw this high as liquidity, this high as liquidity. We cleared liquidity right here. I took a trade from here with a very tight stop loss. I thought it was about 3 pips. Went to profit here, moved my stop loss to break even, and by the time I moved my stop loss to break even, we just came back. And I knew that there were high possibilities of coming back because this window right here, this trade that I took right here, was in the window of lunch break. It was not during London, it was not during New York kill zone, it was during lunch break. Now, we cleared this high, and right after clearing this high right here at this point, New York started. So I was looking for a trade already that corresponded to New York open. Took a trade right here, which corresponded to this order block. This would be the whole order block right here. I refined it to, let me see on lower time frames where it is. 1 second. Perfect. I refined it to this candle right here, this last up candle before the move to the downside. We reached it, took the trade, and New York just pushed the price down. And I closed my trade right here. Now, why did I close it right here? Because Asian range gave us also this order block right here that also broke structure to the upside. Okay, order block that broke structure. So this could be a very protected low, strong order block that could really hold. Of course, we could have pushed lower, but I was already happy with my risk reward for the day, especially with this plus the small trade from here, and overall that's it. But this was really textbook. This is what we're looking for. We don't care if after we go up and we continue pushing higher, but either during London or New York kill zone, we get our trade of the day.